Yo, so I'm writing a song right now. It's called Kerosene. It's gonna come out on Friday, this next Friday. It's March 11th right now. So whenever I end up uploading it, it'll be out that following Friday. And this following Friday. And I originally wrote this in 2024, and I hadn't finished writing it. And there's a part in here that I'm stuck at, right? That I'm trying to figure out the next lyrics to. And so I was like, how do I get around this? There's one method that I found that gets me to conquer writer's block every single time without fail. The cost of this method is time, but it works every single time. And so what I'll do is what I used to do. So what I used to do was I would try to match the energy, match the headspace, match the feeling that I was in when I initially wrote the song. And I found that I could write stuff, but it wouldn't really hit. It wouldn't really do the job. And what I found now, and what seems to work every single time, is that rather than trying to get into a space, I just collaborate as who I am with that version of myself. And so what I mean by that is I'm collaborating from a place of being present. Like I'm writing, although this song, I wasn't, I'm not currently angry or frustrated or needing to express the same thing I'm expressing here. I'm still me, just a more evolved version of myself now. So I'm going to relate as I am now to what I was saying in the song and write from that place. So that's my tip for beating writer's block. Here's what I had before. You can actually find this demo on my account on YouTube. And this is the section that I'm currently writing and been trying to figure out.
Wondering what's wrong with them, like, is it mad at us? Is it is it trouble? Is it safety?
So I was trying to figure that out. And I decided to just write from where I'm at now. And you'll hear it. I'll put the version up that I just ended up writing.
Is he mad at us? Cause I told the honest truth for his peace of mind. No, I'm sorry that I did. Cause when anger blinds and it takes a child to youth, they'll believe the lie and say, can you stand this?
But that's actually what I did in real time in order to get the lyrics. Just write from where you're at and try, and rather than trying to match where you were, be where you're at and see what comes out. Because you're still an artist, you're still awesome. You don't need to stay in that same place in order to complete the work. And that's likely what the work is calling of you, is to be in the new place and to write from the new place and then to complete the work from there. So Lonnie Rose out. Hope this was helpful. See you guys later.